What's up, guys? Thought I'd show you something. No videos, I know, but I'm gonna make some more. But I made another new straight pipe exhaust for my four-wheeler, and I actually used the baffle out of this. I just roughly cut it out, but I used the baffle out of this. It sort of looks like a little 2-inch glass pack, but I cut this off right here all the way around, and I just took the baffle out and had to cut these little spots out right here where it was like spot welded. I just grinded that out. There's 3 of them around it and stuff. I grinded those out and it slid out. But I'm going to show you. Right here's my new straight pipe exhaust. Got a chrome tip, and it looks just like a little glass pack or something. It's kind of neat. It sounds pretty good. It sounds like a glass pack in a way. Got a bracket on there. This is actually off my previous one, and I just added that, welded it on there and stuff. But I'm going to show you how quick it is to change them out using a torque wrench and stuff. So, and then I'll show you how it sounds. Just 2 bolts. There's the old one. Now I'm putting on this one. It's that simple. You can see it on there. It's got the side exit. It's pretty small, but it sounds good. I like the way it sounds. My neighbor's mowing grass way down there. But yeah, I've been thinking about repainting it, but I'll go ahead and start it up, let you see how it sounds. It's got a pretty aggressive sound to it. I like the sound of it. At about low RPMs, it's got a good deep bass sound, and then once you get higher, it gets into a louder kind of high pitch, I guess you could say, kind of hurting your ear top. But yeah, I thought I'd just show y'all that. I'm probably going to take my four-wheeler for a ride down there real quick. I guess I'll get a video of that too. I'll try to hold a video camera while I'm doing that. I haven't rode this thing in a little while through the trails. Mainly, oh, and it only uses 1 bolt to put that other one on there, because usually you got the 2 mounting bracket types, but it just used the back one in there. That's all I had to use for that other one. It didn't take long to make it, maybe probably 30 minutes once I found all the parts to do it with. But oh, I've been working on my car. I'll get more videos of that pretty soon. Still have to get a windshield for it and a driver's side now because our garage door fell and hit it. Actually, the garage door didn't, but that spring shot off and hit it, so that pretty much sucks. But yeah, I just changed the transmission fluid oil pan gasket because it was leaking, and that was pretty much a pain because you basically have to lower the transmission to make it easier, but I did it the hard way. And now we're going for a ride. So yeah, that's pretty much the sound of it. I actually love the sound, but my mom hates it. She says it's too loud. It's already really hot. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It's not very big, I mean, as you can see, you barely can see it, but yeah, I guess I'll get back with y'all soon for more videos. That's really all I've done to this four-wheeler since the last videos. Well, I welded this back up right in there. It bolt's missing out of it, so I just welded it on there because I plan on getting a new frame anyways, because frame's warped. But yeah, see y'all later.